So you guys have requested that I did my lazy high bun style that I did on the live stream that I just did now to show you my length check. Yeah, my hair is tangled and shrunken on itself and matted and all, and dry too. Just look at that. Alright, so this is my hair. It's not detangled, guys. It's not fluffed out or anything, just fresh out of some twist that I had in. So my hair is not stretched or whatsoever. I don't want to have to detangle or deal with this hair, so I'm doing a lazy high bun or puff because I'll be tucking my ends under. I'm not caring to sleep down my hair or whatnot. I'm just catching it however it lays. That's how it's just gonna be, and I'm just using a hair tie. What do you call these things? In my country they refer to them as scrunchies, but these little hair ties, I have no idea what you call these. Anyway, you got it. So I'll just put it over it once because my scalp is very sensitive and I can't catch my hair tight at all, so this is gonna be really poofy. And then I'll just bring the ends of the hair, push it back to the back like this, and use a hairpin and just secure it under there so it doesn't move. And it's really that simple. Yeah, so the hair is poofy because of course it's not detangled, nothing, it's just like that. And then I take my favorite bandeau, well that's what I call it, and I'm just gonna go there and put it on and I'm ready to go. Yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. And as I'm doing this video, my son and I were literally dancing and having fun because we're talking with each other. If you see me, say hi to Steven. Anyway guys, make sure you subscribe. Bye.